And take a look at the 2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, fog lamps, remote power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.